Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the widget on the lock screen in this device. So here you can see I added these are the widget I added or the lock screen widget to this device. So let me show you how to change this lock screen widget. Okay, for this first of all go to the lock screen, press and hold the lock screen. Tap on the widget. So if you want to remove any widget from here, you can easily remove. Now you can see this is the battery widget I added, so I don't want this one. So first of all we need to remove this widget. For this, tap on the minus icon. Now again I am going to add only single one, battery. You can see. If you want to remove the calendar from here, just remove this one. You can add any one from here. So here I am going to add clock. Add this one. Okay, after edit all these widget, tap on done on the top right side. You can see changes applied to lock screen. Now you can see the lock screen widgets are changed. So simply in this way you can change the lock screen widget in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.